Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're diving into the profound wisdom of Randy Pausch's The Last Lecture. Now you might be thinking, a lecture? On purpose and joy? Trust me, this is no ordinary lecture. This isn't just a book summary, it's a guide to living a life full of purpose and joy, a life that truly matters. Randy Pausch, a brilliant computer science professor, was diagnosed with terminal cancer and given just months to live. But instead of succumbing to despair, he chose to share his life lessons, his hopes, his dreams, his wisdom with the world. Randy believed that our childhood dreams hold a special kind of magic. He talks about his own experiencing zero gravity, writing an article for the World Book Encyclopedia, becoming a Disney Imagineer. Some of these dreams he achieved, others he didn't. But you see, it was the pursuit itself, the journey, that taught him the most valuable lessons about resilience, creativity, and the importance of never losing that childlike sense of wonder. Think about it. What did you love as a child? What made your heart sing? What dreams did you tuck away thinking they were impossible? Randy's message is clear. It's never too late to dust off those dreams and chase them with everything you've got. Now let's talk about those inevitable obstacles we all face in life. Randy had a powerful metaphor for these. He called them brick walls. But here's the thing, he didn't see these walls as roadblocks, but rather as opportunities. He said, and I quote, "The brick walls are there for a reason. The brick walls are not there to keep us out. The brick walls are there to give us a chance to show how badly we want something." Think about that for a moment. Brick walls are tests. They filter out the people who don't truly want something. It's our persistence, our creativity, our sheer grit that gets us over those walls and closer to our dreams. One of the most profound lessons Randy taught us was how to embrace failure. He said, "Experience is what you get when you didn't get what you wanted." How often do we let rejection, setbacks, those no's in life completely derail us? But Randy believed that those experiences, those detours, those times when we fall flat on our faces are not failures at all. They are the most powerful teachers we will ever have. They shape us, mold us, and ultimately lead us to where we're supposed to be. Randy understood that true success wasn't just about achieving our own dreams, it was about helping others achieve theirs. He was a mentor, a teacher, a friend who went above and beyond to empower those around him. He believed that our legacy is not defined by what we accomplish, but by the lives we touch and the people we uplift along the way. Ask yourself, how can I use my talents, my passions, my experiences to make a difference in the lives of others? In a world obsessed with being cool, Randy encouraged us to be earnest, to be genuine, to be ourselves unapologetically. He reminded us that trends fade, styles change, but true character, authenticity, that's what leaves a lasting impression. It's about how we make people feel, how we show up in the world, and the kindness and respect we show to everyone we meet. Even in the face of his diagnosis, Randy never lost his incredible sense of humor, his zest for life. He believed that joy is a choice we make every single day, and that gratitude, that feeling of thankfulness for the big and small things in life, is transformative. It shifts our perspective, it opens our hearts, and it allows us to find moments of joy even in the midst of challenges. Above all, Randy taught us the importance of living a life of integrity, telling the truth even when it's hard, owning our mistakes and apologizing when we're wrong, keeping our promises, big and small. These are the foundational principles that guide us to be better human beings. They are the legacy we leave behind long after we're gone. The Last Lecture isn't just a book you read, it's one you carry with you. It's a reminder that life is precious, time is fleeting, and we have the power to choose how we want to live. It challenges you to reflect, recalibrate, and recommit to living a life that matters, not just in success or accolades, but in joy, service, love, and legacy. Remember, time is limited, dreams are not. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.